Hello, my dear friends. Welcome to this quick overview on this dressmaking tutorial. So the dress looks just like that. It's a symmetrical dress with just one side seam, and it's reversible. You can use this part as a front part or the back part as a front part. The difference only will be how these pleats or folds will be located from the like left side to the right or from the right side to the left, like if you turn it. This project is beginner friendly. The pattern, the main pattern is identical for back and for the front part, and both details are cut together on fold, so it has only one side seam over here goes, and it doesn't have any interfacing, like adhesive interfacing, any darts, any like vertical long seams, so that the top part you see just overlocked and just folded with a very soft fold. You even do not need to iron the top line. The recommended width of the fabric for this dress is 58-59 inches, or in centimeters it's 145-150 centimeters wide, because this detail, you see the main detail of the dress, will go exactly into like within the width of the fabric, between sides of the fabric, edges of the fabric, and to the folding line. So it will exactly lay into the width of the fabric. If you choose more narrow fabric, then I also explain in a video how you can adjust the pattern to move one part like above or under the pattern, under the main pattern. So entire tutorial includes PDF patterns. It includes PDF sewing sequences, like written step-by-step sewing sequences, PDF sketch. Also, it includes the scan for assembling the pattern details into one when you print it out. And about 1 hour of video tutorial on 4 different topics. First is for choosing the correct type of fabrics and the correct stretchiness of fabric. And also this video actually will be helpful for you for choosing stretchy fabrics for different projects. The second video, how to prepare fabric for cutting, how to cut pattern details. The third video, it's the biggest video, how to sew step by step. You basically can do it with me. Just put it in a pause when you need, complete each step, and then continue. It's about 27 minutes. It will take for you, if you will do it just straight with me, like about 1 hour, this part. And the fourth part, it's the last one, is for hand-stitched blind hem, for the bottom line of the dress and also for sleeves. So the dress looks like that from the front part and from the back. Let me show you. So as you can see, no side seam, so very easy. So basically you have one side seam and 2 shoulder seams. This is the longest seams, and also sleeve seam and installing the sleeve into the armhole. Okay, and on the back it will look just like that. Also like folds, forming like soft folds on the back. You can also adjust. You see the opening over here, of course. You can, if you want to make it more close, you can stitch the shoulder seam a little bit longer. So the main like idea of this design is to make your dress sitting firmly at the hip area, in this area to be more loose, to form the soft folds around this part of the dress. I hope you enjoy it, and let me know if you have any questions. In the class also you have comments area, so you can ask questions. I will get notice right away, and I can answer it to you also right away. So looking forward to see you in your new dress.